Hey guys, math test today. It's our cumulative test 7B. Start with your name on top of your test form, as well as your test worksheet. All work goes in your work boxes. All answers goes in your answer key. Don't forget the labels. I'm going to put on the top. Do I need a label? Some of you guys have been skipping the labels. Mr. Poe, our new teacher's assistant, he is correcting tough on labels. Half off if you forget a label. So let's get them. I'll help you. Stay with me. Number 1 says draw a pair, that's 2, of parallel lines that are horizontal. Horizontal, goes along the horizon. Now you got to remember a lot of things. You need a pair, so that's 2. They need to be paired right next to each other. Horizon, that's this way. And their lines, they got to have arrows. Remember, pause my video, do the problem, and then come on back. Number 2, it is evening. What time is shown on the clock? Now this one here is the hour hand. The hour hand always is written first, so you're going to write that here. And then you got your little dots, and then the minutes come here. And then it's evening, you're going to need some letters here. What hour is it? What minutes are it? Now remember, the hours count by the numbers, the minutes count by the little ticks, or by 5s of the numbers. Pause the video, come on back. How many years were there from 1902 to 1969? Remember, later time minus earlier time. Later time minus earlier time. Number 4, it says list all the factors of 21. You're going to get 21 equals and start with 1 in itself and write all the factors. Remember, pause the video, check it over, make sure you got it right. Check your resource folder if you need any help. Come back. Number 5. The gas tank in Mario's car holds 16 gallons of gas. 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. How many quarts of gas does Mario have? So I'm going to set this one up times 4 quarts per gallon, and you are definitely going to need a label for this one. The label would be quarts. 3, you're going to need a label. It's years. 2, you need your AM or your PM. All right, number 6. 6 says round 83 to the nearest 10. Remember, you underline the 8, you look back to the 1 through 4, you don't get no more. 5 through 9 go up 1 time. Number 7, round 582 to the nearest 100. Underline the 100, look back at the 8. The 2 doesn't matter. So round in 58, same thing as round in 582. What's going to happen to the 5? Is it going to stay at a 5 or go up to a 6? And 2 becomes 0. So it should be either 500 or 600. All right, we're moving on to number 8. Now we're checking out the associative property here with some selfish parentheses. They always say me first. So on this one, you're going to do the 10 minus 5 first. And on this one, you're going to do the 20 minus 10 first. And after you do the first step, then finish up. Number 9. It says, what fraction of the square is shaded? Remember, when we write our fractions, we always write up the part over the whole. Looking for the shaded parts. So count how many are shaded, the part, over the total number in your fraction, the whole. This is Mr. Harvey. He's here to help us with our math test.
Let's do it.
Just kidding. Number 10. It says, what percent of the square is shaded? Now, if you're looking for the percents, you're welcome to use your math resource folder. Look for the same fraction that you got for number 9. Find the percent that's in that same place. It's not 1/4. It was 3/4. So make sure you look for 3/4. All right, look at number 11. It says, which of these angles is a right angle? Which one's a right angle? One of those is a cute little angle. One of them is a perfect right angle. It might be tipped. And one of them is obtuse angle. Number 12. It says the arrow is pointing to what number on the number line? Now this is not a mixed number that I taught you the other day in class. This isn't a mixed number. Okay? So this is if we got to figure it out. Try 1, try 2, try 5, try 10. 60, 61, 62, 63. Does that say 64? No, it's not by ones. All right, let's try 5. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Is that an 80? Yeah, that was 5 plus 5. Hang that 0 up, bring that 0 down, and don't forget, problem with a remainder. This division problem, it's just a division bar. And then number 20, which figure is not a polygon? Remember, polygons are closed with no curves. Polygons are closed with no curves. All right, guys, math lesson 7B. Re-listen to the video, check them all over. Then go back, check them. Do I need a label for this one? Yes. Do I need a label for this one? Yes. Did I count by 5s here? Yes. Did I pick the correct letter here? Yes. All right. Go to your answer key, make sure you got all the labels. Double check, make sure your name's on there, and you guys are set.